Okay, so let's look at the process that a loan goes through when it comes through to Private Mortgages Australia. So the very first thing you'll see here in the flowchart is that we get an application form that'll come in, or we can accept our one-page quick app form. Now, our one-page quick app form is, as the name suggests, is literally a one-page form that you fill in the real high-level details about the transaction that we can then do our initial assessment. So we'll do our first filter and we'll make sure that the transaction passes all those checks. And one of those things that we do is we work out from you as the referrer how much you want to make out of the transaction. Because what we want to do, we want to make sure that that's put into the indicative letter of offer so it's all transparent and everyone knows who's getting paid what up front. So once we get the indicative letter of offer, that'll have the indicative interest rate. It also has how much the assessment fee is. So the assessment fee is usually $550 to $770 based on the complexity of the transaction, and that covers our cost of doing title searches, credit checks, desktop valuations, those sort of things. So once we've got that accepted, we then conclude our due diligence and issue the formal letter of offer. As soon as the formal letter of offer has been accepted, we send that through to our solicitors, and our solicitors that we use specialise in legal documentation of mortgages. So they're really good at it and they're really quick at it. So they can do it usually within a couple of hours, but most of the time it's within 24 hours they'll actually turn around the loan documentation and get that out to the client. As soon as the client has signed the loan documentation, we can then settle usually the same day. We'll just telegraphic transfer the funds to the client, but we also send the funds to our referrers as well. So that way everyone gets their money very, very quickly, usually within 24 hours of getting the loan documentation back. So you can see that it's designed to be a very quick and streamlined process. So that way the time lag between the client making the application and getting the money is as short as possible. And that's what private lending is all about. So if you've got a client that can't get traditional bank funding and would benefit from a private loan, then send us an email to apply@privatemortgagesaustralia.com.au, or you can give us a call on 1300 856 683, or check out our website or social pages. We look forward to hearing from you soon.